So it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I am getting myself ready. I hope all my bags are ready for my flight from Nantes in France to Istanbul for the hair transplant. Oh, so that's what it looks like now. Okay. Hi there, so I made it to Turkey. Went in a nice little Jaguar to Nantes, picked up the plane. Obviously through customs, lots and lots and lots of passport check-ins and your luggage being checked and all that, like so many times. And the flight itself was no problem. It left on time. It was good weather all the way. There was absolutely no problems. The plane wasn't moving around at all. That was all completely fine. We arrived on time in Istanbul. Then all through the customs again, and then called the cab, and so they turned up, and then it was about an hour drive to Istanbul centre to this hotel, and a very nice hotel, very very swanky, nice bathroom, like really big double bed. You're allowed to smoke. Not that you're allowed to smoke when you're having a hair transplant, but that's there. People drive like nutters over here, though. I mean, there is no one obeys any kind of road signals or anything. I mean, cars just pull in, pull out. Lorries overtake you and pull in. That's the driving over here is absolute mayhem. So anyway, this is what the old barnet looks like. It's what time is it? 4ish or something now. I haven't slept at all. I didn't sleep last night. Didn't sleep on the plane. The plane was 4 hours. Didn't sleep. Watched to some, listened to some Sabaton on the way. Had a chat with Hamza. And in about 15 minutes, we're going to be meeting up. I've just had a shower, changed my clothes, and we're going to head out tonight. Don't quite know what to expect yet, but I'll keep you updated. See ya. So I'm back at the hotel now. It's about 9:30 at night. So the guide I'm with, Hamza, who's organised the whole hair transplant and everything, he took us out for a traditional Turkish meal. It was epic, and this is coming from a guy who doesn't like anything. I don't like lettuce. I don't like sauce. I don't like fruit. I don't like vegetables. But the food was so good. I was really scared actually. I thought I'm not going to eat here for like 3 days. But no, I mean it was. There's like little bits of everything of Turkish traditional cuisine. Started off there was like a soup. I have no idea what it tasted like, but it was gorgeous. With some flatbread, absolutely lovely. The ovens they're using, absolutely sick. And they've also got like a barbecue going on, and so there's all these different kind of chickens coming out, all kinds of meats, extremely spicy food, some kind of really spicy kind of pate thing. There was some salad and tomatoes, which I had a bit of. Um, no, that didn't go down well for me, but I'm sure it was nice if you like that. The whole meal was lovely. The drinks are very strange. You have some kind of milk with it, but it's not milk from a cow. Um, so that was a bit odd. And there was this other drink which, if you smelt it, it smelt like raspberry, and you're like, oh, this will be a nice drink. And then when you actually have it, it tastes of full on vinegar, and that was awful. But they did have water, no alcohol, as it's a traditional Muslim restaurant. But so we had water, and then food is just coming out non-stop. I mean, insane service. There's like 6 waiters. The moment you finish one plate, that goes, another plate comes out. Crazy. Turkish pizzas, gorgeous. Everything's really spicy. So if you like spicy food, you're going to probably like Turkish food. At the halfway point, you end up, I don't know if it's a halfway point or maybe at the end, traditionally you will have a tea. It's just plain tea. Hot, obviously. I'm not a tea drinker, but it was quite nice. It's like a little shot. And then after that, you end up having a dessert. One of the desserts was very strange. It's like a mixture. There's like cheese and sweet savoury kind of thing. It's like really sugary, but there was cheese on it. Didn't like that. Some other things were like really sugary pastry, which they were nice, but I'm not someone who particularly likes sugar. So I had a few bites of it, and it tasted really nice, but a few bites for me was well enough. And once you do that, you have a Turkish coffee. Didn't understand exactly how they make the coffee, but apparently they make the coffee over the barbecue with the grains, and they like heat it up, and if you have sugar, I mean the coffee's heated with the sugar. You don't add it in later. Quite nice coffee, quite nice. And yeah, that was the meal. So we had that, and after that meal, we came back to the hotel. The guys I'm with, some of them are heading off early tomorrow morning to have their hair transplant procedure, and I will be picked up at 1 o'clock tomorrow, and looks like I'll be having this done at about 2 o'clock. It lasts from, looks like, because it goes on for a really long time actually, so it looks like I won't actually be out before 8 or 9 p.m. So it's going to be a long sore day tomorrow. Hopefully it's worth it. So that's my update. I haven't slept now for 48 hours. That's my choice. I'm a bit strange like that as well. So the next update will be, I'm guessing, tomorrow night. I'll let you know how it all goes. See ya.